about the solution, because in essence, that is what the main problem that Appics would solve. Just imagine if everyone could earn a fair share for their contribution in the social network. Next slide, please. I hope we're at my team slide now. So my team and I, we realized that about 5 years ago, back when we were mainly focused on running and growing a digital marketing agency, and we were constantly on a daily basis working with contributors to businesses, we were seeing how much time and creativity flows into these social platforms, yet the reward is close to nothing. So we were very well connected in the mainstream space as well as the crypto space. But it wasn't until 2016 when we found a way to merge the two worlds, the social media world and the crypto space, to create something that to bring something to life that we call a next generation social media. Next slide, please. So next generation social media is something with the mission to return the value created by the time spent in the social network back to its source, the content creators as well as the audiences who love and support them. So all the liking and commenting as well. So essentially, we turn the traditional social media hierarchy around by giving its users the opportunity to receive financial reward, their engagement, and earning real revenue just simply by receiving likes directly via the blockchain. Now, I want to demonstrate this a little bit more further. We call this a new form of mining, human mining, because it's sort of, and we call it proof of brain, because it's actually us using our time and attention and being rewarded for that by securing the network. So this is a revolutionary new concept, and I want to demonstrate this visually. So I'll show you a short version of our image. Thank you very much. Okay. Hope this is going to work. Yes, the first one, though.
We're living the most significant revolution of all time. Social media changed the way we express ourselves and the way we spend our most valuable asset. We spend many hours every day producing, liking, and sharing content. We don't consider it work because we enjoy spending time online. But if we are the workforce behind the value of social media companies, it would only be fair to get a return on our investment. With a revolutionizing technology, Appics introduces a new ecosystem that merges lifestyle with income inside one mobile application. In other words, we turn likes into currency. With Appics, you can continue what you're doing already, sharing your lifestyle online, but this time get rewarded for it. When you upload something, people can like your content. With one difference, every like creates a monetary reward, which means you get paid directly from the support of others. There are 2 billion unbanked people in the world. In our modern society, Appics can provide an additional source of income. But in third world countries, it could even change lives, provide security and more stability. Even if you choose not to upload your own content, you can still benefit from rewarding other people's work with your like. You can send direct transactions to another user's account, which are totally secure and credited in a matter of seconds. No fees, no delays. You can send money using direct transfer, just like you would send a message to someone and receive it instantly without a third party. Now what can you do with your earned coins? You can not only transfer them to another user's wallet, but you can also top up your credit card and use it in any store. Appics coins can be exchanged for any currency, or you can transfer your coins over to your bank account and turn them into liquid cash. Brands and selected users have the unique opportunity to create their own integrated shop. The process is simple. You scan the QR code of the shop with your phone and then send an instant transaction of Appics coins to the shop. This way, you can use the app as a simple and quick payment solution. Or simply make a purchase within the app by selecting your preferred item and making an instant payment. Appics puts a twist on popular features such as regarded as a piece of content, just like a photo, video, or comment. A live stream thus can be rewarded with a like, as well as donations in form of direct transactions. The more you're actively contributing to the platform and people like what you post, the bigger your influence and the higher the impact of your like. Those with an already established online presence have the unique opportunity to be voted as a main influencer by the users within one of our 15 categories, ranging from fashion to sports. Appics influencers are experts in their field and are credited with a large amount of coins so that their vote can have other valuable content creators become visible. But where do all the rewards come from? The answer lies within the nature of blockchain technology. The blockchain is a decentralized peer-to-peer network that allows online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. The most popular blockchain and first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin that gets created through a process called mining. Miners are machines that use computing power to mine currency and process transactions. What most people don't know is that there are over 800 cryptocurrencies with blockchains that each have unique features and advantages. Like Bitcoin, Steam is a blockchain with transferable tokens that, unlike the Bitcoin blockchain in early 2016, introduced a new way of currency creation, contribution in a social network. Appics currency works on top of the Steam blockchain. Every time the like button is used, coins are created, which turns every user of Appics into a human mining machine. And instead of paying the miners to secure the network, Appics pays the people who post, comment, and like. Think about a popular social media platform. It's not a secret that these platforms are worth billions of dollars. Unlike on any other popular social media site, where 100% of the created value goes to the owners and shareholders of the company, Appics aims at creating a new environment where the power stays within the network and the created value of the platform gets distributed in a fair way. The Appics team combines crypto expertise with experience as a social media agency in the network of influential people in both worlds. Think of the invention of the internet. If we had to understand how the internet was built in order to use it, the world would not be as it is today. So don't worry if you don't understand how the monetary system works just yet. With Appics, you actually don't have to. The concept of Appics is already working, and we're just here to simplify the matter. There's no better time to get on board than right now. We believe in our mission to give people back their return on investment for the time they spend on social media. We believe in our ability to introduce the world to blockchain technology through a social network. We believe in a decentralized economy where the power belongs to the people. We believe in you.
So that was not the short version. Go through this, so we will still make it happen. So turning likes into currency, as we saw, is the plan where you don't need a million likes or brand deals in order to earn from your content, but users in the network vote on what's valuable, and based on that, the system automatically pays you. So let's see how this works on a practical level. Next slide, please. So here you see someone with 75.6 thousand followers on Instagram. In the posting in the category of music with an engagement rate of 4.32% and an average likes per post of 3,265. Now taking those numbers and applying it to Appics, we can determine that that person would earn an average of $283.35 per post. Next slide, please. Here's just another example. This is Jason, he's a dancer, 126,000 followers on Instagram, and if he would post with an engagement rate of 7.38%, he would earn an average per post on Appics of $673 US. So this is really interesting to see because not every like on Appics is equal, and this shows it because it's not just about like, it's about engagement, it's about the people who are voting on your content. Next slide. So what's important here is that not every like is the same. So depending on how active you are in the platform and therefore coins you have in your integrated wallet, the bigger the weight of your vote. So let's say if you just joined the platform, your like will have less impact than someone who's been posting, commenting, liking for months. Next slide. And you can choose to invest in your account and buy tokens to have a bigger influence and boost your posts, but you can also choose to simply work your way up. But the main point is that the more tokens you have, the higher your voting power, and therefore the bigger your influence on the platform. Next, please. As you engage on the platform, you will go directly into your integrated wallet, as I said, and you can then choose to either directly cash it out, meaning you're able to exchange your coins for any other currency, or you can choose to keep it in your wallet because of two main reasons. Number one, as I just explained, the more coins you have, the higher the weight of your vote and influence on the net platform. And then two, the coins you're earning act like sort of like shares in the company because it's crypto. So the more people that come on board, your coins can be worth a lot more. So if you post today and that's worth $10, that could be 50, 100, or something like that a year from now. Next, please. And then we have a system of how we find and filter quality content. So you still have hashtags, but what we have is up to 20 categories that can change depending on what the users want to see. And then within these categories, we will have social media influencers that already have an established audience and reputation, and we're able to give some people a higher voting power and delegate tokens from the start. Now, before I go on, I wanted to show you, because our app is out in beta, what this looks like. But guys, so this is a 2-minute video, but if you could just skip through it very quickly and show them how the beta looks like, that would be great. So that's the second video of the animation.